So I wanted to do a quick video. Been really trying to organize my gear a lot better so that everything's in one place when I need it. So this is the Tenba BYOB, the 9 camera insert. At the top, I have this Aputure Light. What I like about this is that it does include the softbox and it can go RGB. A lot of times I just have it on like a warmer color, but as you see, I've been trying to do different colors in the backgrounds in my video, and this helps me kind of get that just a quick, easy way of like a pop of color. So right now it's set to red. You can set hue, which is cool. Sweet. So I'll just leave it on green in the background for now. This next pouch here is a pouch from Daiso. I saw some people using another pouch similar to this. So in here I have Lavalier mics, and I have like extra little windscreens. I just carry a USB-C just in case I need to charge it. This is a transmitter. I just clip this on because it makes it easier so I can find both items, and then I just clip this onto my camera and I'm good to go. And then the 2 receivers. I might have mixed that up. This is the main. I call this the main, and these are 1 and 2. This is what the actual microphone that I connect the lavaliers to. Honestly, I've been really impressed with these. I do think that they're worth the price. That's everything that fits in this little pouch. I just like how everything fits. Everything's organized in this little section, and it's just like my microphone on, so I can get some audio. So that's this pouch here. I should have started with this outside pouch. It's see-through. It's really good because you can see what's in here. This one I like because it was small, fitted a lot of my essentials, and it just fit perfectly in there. Honestly, didn't do with that intention. You just worked up. This is a SmallRig little tool. I pretty much use the flathead so that I can use it to put my camera on my truck. This is a SD card holder. Has for SIM card also. It's just nice to have a couple extras just in case. This is a Ryko battery, and then Anker USB reader 2-in-1, reads SD and microSD. All that fits into this little pouch. It's nice and clean. Again, in efforts to organize my gear, that's why I have this at the side. This is a Portkeys monitor, and this is everything that I keep in here. This is HDMI, regular full size to, I guess this is micro, mini, whatever the size is the one that fits with my camera. This is the sun hood for the monitor, and this is my Portkeys PT6. Overall, it's a nice little monitor. I think it works great, so that works great. I like that there. And then this is just the adapter to put on your cold shoe mount. 12. The only other thing I have up here is this is a SmallRig cold shoe mount, and it's threaded also, so it's just a nice extra to have. So I keep that up here because I don't use it all the time. It has pockets on the side. Kind of a micro review on this. This has been pretty good. I like that it fits this way, and it just fits all my little things that I need to hit record, and then just removes like that, like just looking for stuff. And of course, let me close this out, and this is my nice little, I guess, like accessories pouch to get, videos recorded. Let me know if I should add anything else. Thanks for watching. Peace.